Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the SUMIF function in Excel. The SUMIF function stands as one of Excel's most invaluable mathematical tools. If you have a range of values and the need to sum only those numbers that meet specific criteria, SUMIF is the function you'll turn to. Let's delve into a practical example to unravel how the SUMIF function operates. Consider this table of data that consists of year, date, and value columns. We've also included a criteria column where we've placed a value of 2010 to represent the year 2010, which will serve as our SUMIF criteria in this tutorial. To get started, we'll begin by issuing the SUMIF command. The SUMIF function consists of three parameters. Our first parameter defines the range of cells where the criteria will be applied. In our case, we'll input the range A2 to A6. This set of cells will undergo evaluation to determine if they meet the criteria. Our second parameter involves specifying the criteria that will be applied against the range A2 to A6. This criteria can either be a value or a reference to a cell that contains a value. In this instance, we'll input D2, which contains the value 2010. The SUMIF function will assess each value in the range of A2 to A6 to determine if it matches the year 2010. The third parameter necessitates defining the range of values eligible for summation. We'll input a range of C2 to C6. For each value in A2 to A6 that aligns with the year 2010, the corresponding value in C2 to C6 will be total. With all parameters configured, let's complete the command to examine the result. You should see the value 218.6. This result is the sum of 10.5, 200, and 8.1. All other values in the table are disregarded since their year does not align with 2010. This demonstration encapsulates a straightforward example of employing Excel's SUMIF function. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.